YouTube family. This is Mika Coleman with Tax Deed and Overage Education, and I just want to say thank you for all my supporters that watch my videos, for those that have joined my mastermind or signed up for my program. Thank you for all your support. But what I really want to talk about is why 2026 year is going to be a phenomenal year, you guys. And I'm not just saying this because that's what I do. Like this today, one of my students texted me and was like, they got a contract signed, and it just inspired me and encouraged me to just like get on this video, because I was like, thank God. I literally, he was in my last mastermind, and the interesting thing is we're still working on the county that I taught him. He was able to actually get a signed contract in a whole nother county, because that's what my process teaches you. It's going to teach you how to do what I do in any county, and you don't need an attorney. I know a lot of people go to my competitor first, and he's a little bit different because he's an attorney, but I'm here to tell you, if you are an everyday person and you're looking for a way to get into real estate, and listen, you can have money, but why use your money when you can make between $20 to $100 to $200,000 without investing a dime? Like literally, I should do a video on how $11 can turn into $50,000. And the reason why I say $11 is because that's how much it costs to do priority mail at the United States Post Office. Okay, so really all you're doing is doing a lot of research. And what I discovered from this last student, he's an IT guy. He actually works full time. He works from home, by the way. But he had got so many hits. He has re-inspired me. Like, he's gotten a lot of responses from the letters that he has sent out. And I don't even do letters, y'all. I'm like, that'll take too long. But he taught me that just because it doesn't work as quickly as I want to doesn't mean that it's not a viable way to get claimants to contact you. So kudos to you. I'm so proud of you. And thank you for sharing. Sometimes my students don't even share, but he was just so excited. But I knew he was going to get it, because what I learned this year is that the type of student that should be a part of my mastermind, or if you're going to do this on your own, you have to be a doer. Now, if you want to work with me, you want to be a doer and follow directions. And he basically said I saved him about 6 or 8 months of guesswork. And so I was really happy to hear that. So what I want to talk about is how things are going to change in 2026 and why 2026 is going to be the best year ever. I'll just tell you, I didn't make $500,000, but I almost made close to it in the last 6 months. And I believe the reason why is because people are desperate. People are desperate for money, where before it wasn't as, what do I want to say? I don't want to say it was scammy, because it's not a scam. I mean, there's over $1 billion waiting to be collected from the government. But I think a lot of people are more open because a lot of people are losing their jobs. People are going to start selling their houses or not paying their taxes, which makes a good business for people like you and I. And what I love about this business is the win-win situation. It's not where you're taking and you're getting over on someone. You're restoring people. You're giving them back hope of something that they lost. And 9 times out of 10, I know some people that said they've never had that amount of money in their entire life. A lump sum of money all at one time. So I feel like I've been Santa Claus all year, because I have been giving based on just doing research. And so in 2026, I think it's going to be even better, is because there's going to be more foreclosures. There's going to be more sales. Also, too, as AI comes in place, even though AI, I think this niche is super niche, that AI doesn't have a lot of information, but what I'm learning, or what I'm seeing, is more of the counties are becoming digitized, which makes our job a lot easier. And I was looking at some of my videos, you guys, so you gotta take some of the videos with a grain of salt. I was looking at one of my videos, and I was like, that's not true. So one of my videos, I was talking about you gotta collect the deed for that county if you're collecting a claim. And then for that particular county, probably so, but for the most part, you don't have to, you don't need a deed to get this property, and you don't have to have a license. And this IT guy, he's never been in real estate. I mean, he's IT. He doesn't even really talk. Well, he does. He talks to people as company, but he's not like a salesperson. So anyway, I'm saying this all to say that 2026 is going to be a phenomenal year, and 2025 has been a great year. I've had a lot of highs and lows. My life has changed significantly. I am now a full-time caretaker, so I take care of my mom. And so I didn't, the first, I would say first 4 months, I was like, there's no way I can run my business and, take care of my mom between her doctor's appointments and, doctors calling and, looking up insurance providers, just a lot of stuff. I was just like, there's no way. And I've made by far the most I have in the less period of time this year. And so it's been such a blessing, but I also believe that people are a little bit more open to wanting to get money. Like, you don't have to convince people, I guess. I don't know. From what I've experienced, I was like, things are starting to shift. And so if you want to be in on the beginning of this cycle, the time is now. And so if you ever wanted to get into real estate, but you were afraid of, high risk or losing your money, I'd say this is by far the best niche. I'm not saying by far I may be the best person for you, but keep looking, keep researching. I give out a lot of information on how to get started, but this by far is one of the best real estate investment strategies that I've used in my 20 years of investing. And when I tell you, I've done everything under the sun except for like Airbnb arbitrage and all that stuff. I did not do that. I'm a little old school. I started out with the foreclosures, the short sales, the fix and flips, multi-units, commercial. When I tell you I've done it all, I've done it all. And this by far is the least risk, the highest reward. The only thing you have to do is want to be a doer and actually do the research, and you will get paid. I mean, I just think about all the commission checks that I had as a realtor. I was like, driving houses and going to show people for 3 or 6 months and not getting paid. Oh my God. I'm like, I wish somebody would tell me about this a long time ago. But that's another thing that I wanted to bring up. A lot of people ask me, like, Mika, how long does it take to get paid? So in 2025, what I did do also is I diligently, now I'm gonna tell y'all, I used to be real lazy. I would find a county and I would just work that county, and that would just be my bread and butter. But I was like, okay, this year I want to level up. I want to, get better. And so I started processing claims in different counties, and I would do, if I got a contract and there are different counties, I would wait and send them off together so that I could see how the process of these different counties. And you guys, I'm here to tell y'all, like, some of these counties are so super efficient. I mean, you literally can have a check within 30 days. And then there's other counties where it's going to be like maybe 60 or 90 days. And what I'm finding out is that all these counties, they have different staffing. And so if there's not in-house staffing for that county, it takes longer. And so one of the case scenarios that I had was I sent these two files in together, and I got paid on one, and they were the same amounts. By the way, you guys, if you're doing 6-figure claims, you are going to be waiting for a minute. And what a minute, I would say 90 to 180 days, because these counties want to double check and triple check to make sure everything is accurate. But for anything below 50,000, depending on the county though, it can be between 30 to 90 days. And it was kind of interesting because I processed the file. They had the same amounts, and one county paid me out in 30 days. And then the other county paid me out within, I think it was like 60 days. So what I'm learning is that these counties, and when I ask them, what do they do once I get the paperwork, I realize that some of them mail them off to attorneys, which lets me know that they don't have in-house county workers, so it takes longer. Whereas the ones that I'm calling in-house county workers, I feel like they are a lot quicker. Like, they're turning them around really quick. So just to, I always tell people that are starting in this business, have yourself a 90-day window. This is not a business where, unless you find like a perfect county that and I'm not giving that county up because that's like my bread and butter. But when I tell you there's like over like, I think there's like 3,000 counties. So I'm sure you could find a county that, you know, has inside workers. But like there are counties out there that are really efficient and it can pay out in 30 days. But then you, as the new person, it does take you time to learn the process, unless you do one of my masterminds and I'm going to teach you the process and you could take the guesswork out of everything. But if you are wanting to go on about your own, it does take a little bit time to do everything, as far as like finding lists, how to cover the information on the list. There is a lot of digging in this business that you can definitely figure out. I'm not trying to what do they call that, gatekeep? Because like literally, like I found this one county and they had everything, like everything. And so I'm saying this all to say you can figure this out on your own. This is not something where you cannot do this on your own, and anybody can do this. But if you want to take the guesswork out of trying to figure it out, and you want compliance, and you want to, you know, basically learn how to collect and claim these claimants in an efficient amount of time, I would highly suggest doing my mastermind. And I am, because I've had some really good successes, I am going up on my prices and I am lowering. So I will only have 20 students per class moving forward in 2026. Why? Because I want to dedicate more time to you. It's not about the money for me. It's about empowering and educating individuals like yourself that are doers that need direction. Because when I tell you there is enough money to replace at least 200 people's jobs, and that's just really like conservative. There's enough money out there to help people restore, to pay off debt, whatever it is that you're looking for and you've always wanted to get into real estate. Look up tax deed overages. By far, this is one of the best investment strategies that I've done in my 20 years of investing. And so I want to wish you a happy new year. I didn't really go into too much detail about all of the different things in 2026, but keep on the lookout, because I am going to be giving some really good nuggets on what's to come in 2026, and then also to reflect back to some of the things that changed in 2025. And also I wanted to add this too, that I noticed, because I do masterminds, I always have to have the information relevant, because this is live, these are real live claims. So I always make sure that everything is up to date. And what I did find is that a lot of these counties have changed. So if you are looking at programs, you just want to see if you are able to talk to someone and you're looking to get into this, you just want to make sure that the information is relevant, like, it's, up to date, because a lot of things have changed. I mean, I've made it, I've done so many different states, and I've made it a mission to get really proficient in one state and learn it backwards and forwards. And each month I'm learning different counties. And what I'm finding out from when I actually started documenting stuff, which was in, I think, 2021, so many things have changed. So make sure, if you're researching about this and you're following people, or you're trying to get more information, just check the dates in the years, because even from last year to this year, a lot of things have changed. So just keep that in mind, even in my videos, y'all, because I was listening to some of my videos, trying to edit them. I was actually trying to put this whole different program together, and I was like, I can't use this video. So I think some of the videos are still somewhat relevant, like the context. But as far as how things, how you process, or some of the things I said, I've grown and I've learned more. I think I did another video too about deceased in estates. I think that's been my biggest collection this year. And I think I did a video on why not to do it. So anyway, I just wanted to chime you guys in, and I hope that everyone has a happy new year. Be safe out there, and thank you for supporting my channel in 2025. And I look forward to collecting more claims with you and myself for 2026. Happy New Year, you guys.